Hey guys, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel. If you're a beginner when it comes to resin art or you're looking for a new business idea that's also easy to make, keep on watching because this video is definitely for you. Alright, so this video has 4 parts. The first part, I'm gonna show you all the materials that you're gonna need and also where to buy them. And then on the second part, I'm gonna show you guys the basic steps on how to create the guitar pick. So we're just gonna create a very simple design in this part. Nothing too complicated, just really basic so that you could get the whole idea. And then on the third part, we're gonna try to experiment with more designs. I'm gonna show you a couple of techniques and tips on how to create a more complex design. Then on the last part, I'm gonna show you a couple of packaging ideas for your business if ever you're gonna make this idea into a business. Okay, so that's it. I'm not gonna make this intro long. Let's go ahead and let's start. guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helped you a lot. But wait, before you go, if you have watched my previous resin video tutorial, which is this one, thank you so much for helping me reach 100,000 views. And not just that, we also reached 5,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. It really motivated me to keep on doing videos that might help you guys. So if you have any further comments or suggestions or requests, just comment it down below. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!